Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I'm going to be showing you how to make Thai sticky stir-fried rice in corned beef sauce. So if you have a day-old sticky rice or any rice at all and you're wondering what to do with it, then you should try this recipe. It's so tasty and very easy to make. But before we go on, if you're new here, welcome. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. So right here, this is a glimpse of all the ingredients we're going to be using to make this recipe, and don't forget that you also find the list of ingredients in the description box. First off, I have a day-old sticky rice. Sticky rice is actually great for this recipe, but if you don't have sticky rice, you can always use any rice you have at home. Then I have 350 grams canned corned beef. I also have some diced tomatoes, some diced green and red bell peppers. Bell peppers are actually one of my favorite ingredients when cooking. I just love the flavor it adds to any dish. Then I have some chopped onions and garlic, some habanero peppers, some vegetable oil, and for my spices I'm going to be using some onion powder, some paprika powder, some chili powder, some garlic pepper seasoning, some ground black pepper, some ginger powder, and some salt. Now into a pan, I'm going to be adding my vegetable oil, and once it's heated up, I'm going to add my chopped onions and garlic. Then I'm just going to stir for about a minute before adding my diced tomatoes. Then I'll just stir my diced tomatoes for about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, I'm going to be adding my chopped habanero peppers, and then I'm going to stir and give it about 3 to 5 minutes to fry or until they begin to break down. So if you're still watching, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that already, and also give this video a thumbs up as it does help my channel. Next, I'm just going to be adding some green and red bell peppers. Then I'm going to stir everything to combine, and I'll fry this for about a minute or two before adding my spices. After about 2 minutes, I'm going to be adding my spices because I want this to be flavorful. I'll start with some chili powder, some paprika powder, some garlic pepper seasoning, some black pepper, and some ground ginger. Then I'm going to stir and let this cook for about a minute or two. Now that my onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers are nicely fried, it will be time to add the corned beef. So I'll add this in, then I'll begin to break it down, then I'll stir everything to combine. Now this recipe is so easy to make, it's so spicy, and it's so flavorful, and it's such a great way to use up leftover rice that you may have at home. Next, I'm going to be adding a little salt, then I'll also stir everything to combine. Once everything is nicely combined, it will be time to add our sticky rice. Next, I'm just going to be adding my sticky rice into the flavorful corned beef sauce. And all I have to do now is to stir to make sure everything is thoroughly combined. And because this is sticky rice, you want to stir this thoroughly to make sure the rice is completely coated in the sauce. So while stirring, you may find some chunks of rice that you may need to break down. So in total, I stir-fried this rice for about 5 minutes on medium heat. So right here, the rice is all done and it looks so good. So if you love corned beef, you definitely need to try out this recipe. And if you're not a big fan of corned beef, I hope you'll try out this recipe because it's packed with so much protein. It's so easy to make and it comes together in about 20 to 25 minutes. It's a perfect quick lunch or dinner recipe. So I'm going to dish this out and we'll make the sauce to go with it. In here I have some ketchup. I'm just going to be adding some mayonnaise, some paprika powder, some black pepper. I'll squeeze in some lemon juice and lastly I'll add some water. Then I'm going to mix everything to combine. So this is how the sauce looks like. I'm just going to be adding this to my rice. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and also give the video a thumbs up. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.